Hi guys, welcome to Oi 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 with Jessie. I'm Jessie, obviously, and today I'm going to show you 5 DIYs you can do with your kids at home. I added all the links that you need here down below the video, and if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. Okay, so you need to blow up a few balloons. They should be in smaller size so your kid can hold them. Then I just put acrylic paints in this plastic thing that I had. Okay. Take it oi oi oi. Oi oi oi. Oi oi oi. And that's it. Give your kids to play with that and draw with the balloons and just have fun. Black. Ooh.
It's pink.
It's not pink. It was fun? Fun. I took an old pot that I had, I washed it and let it dry. And then I just put a few acrylic paints and I gave him a brush and that's it pretty much. He just painted over and had fun painting over that. We took this brown clay that I had that could be air dry and a few star cookie cutters, but you can use whatever you want. I had a boil water next to us so I can soften the edges of the stars. Also I did some holes so I can hang it. I let it dry for 24 hours. We took a clean and old toilet paper roll. I cut the edges and then I put acrylic paint again in the plastic plate and I gave him to paint with that. Super easy and fun. My Neil is only 2 years old, so he's a bit young for a lot of stuff, but he liked it very much. took a cement powder. I used the white one. You can use also the gray one. It doesn't really matter. I mixed it with water and then I just pour it into a silicone mold that I had. I added magnets so we can use it as a magnet to the fridge. And I let it dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I just took it out of the silicone mold. I took a sanding paper and I just did the rough edges. Neil also did it. And I just gave him acrylic paints in the brush and he just drew over them. Again, he's only a 2-year-old, so it's kind of fine that it's not will be perfect, but if you have older kids, they totally can do like cool stuff with that. Okay guys, so that was my 5-day with kids ideas. Hope you liked it. I especially liked the clay one. My kid Neil really liked the balloons one. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also leave a comment below to let me know which one was your favorite. And if you did one of the projects with your kids, tag me on Instagram at oyoyoy Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day and be safe. And I will see you in the next video.